Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making Italian sausage soup. You will need 1 pound of Italian sausage, 1 cup of ditalini pasta, 2 cups of spinach, 1 cup of carrots, 1 zucchini, 1 14-ounce can of stewed tomatoes, 1 14-ounce can of white beans, 48 ounces of beef broth, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of onion, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Using medium heat, bring your Dutch oven to temperature, then add your sausage. Add the onions and garlic and cook for 7 minutes or until your sausage has browned. Now pour in the beef broth and add the stewed tomatoes. Add the zucchini and carrots, then season with your salt and pepper. Bring your liquid to a light simmer, cover, and allow it to cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add your white beans, pasta, and spinach, and mix well. Cover and continue to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Soul food cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.